and I did pluck it, and I feel like once you put that little bit of work in,
pluck it up, babe.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm your girl, Miss Khrissy. Today I am reviewing a wig that I saw. Actually, it's really viral on TikTok. So I was like, I need to try it. I need to see if this wig is worth it. I'm gonna let y'all know exactly how I feel about this wig. Like, are these social media wigs worth it? Or are the girls just making it look worth it? I'm gonna tell you all my pros and my cons and show you how I put this wig on, then wrap it up with my final thoughts. But give this video a thumbs up if you like content like this. Hit that subscribe button and let's jump in. So again, this is Bobbi Boss Antonia, and I have the color number 2. She does come in a lot of other pretty colors. So fresh out the pack, I was really excited, y'all. This wig had me hyped. Do y'all see these waves on this wig? So it's a really nice, pretty body wave, silky textured wig. It's really long, but I'll talk about that later. Up against my skin, this is what the lace is looking like. It is a 13x7 lace frontal, and it has combs in the back and an adjustable band. So you know you got to put the wig on and fill her out a little bit, and I was feeling myself. Can y'all tell? The cap didn't feel too bagged on this wig, and I'm just adjusting it and feeling the wig out. So this is what the hairline is looking like. I decided to go ahead and pluck up this hairline because I didn't like the way it was looking fresh out the pack. Feel free to wear the wig the way you like it. Yes, this wig. It's everything and more. So I just wanted to get a feel of like the density and the texture and everything. This is what the wig is looking like as far as the length goes. As far as the actual length goes, I'm not too sure, but she did come down to like my belly button. So like I said, I did go in and I plucked this wig. I always start with a hot comb and brush all the hairs back, and then I go in with some really sharp tweezers and I pluck up the hairline. So this is what one half of the wig is looking like after it's plucked. This is about all the hair that I got after plucking, and then this is what the wig is looking like after it's fully plucked. The plucking tutorial can be found in the cards. So then I go in and I tint the lace because it wasn't matching my complexion. Just using this Maybelline Fit Me powder. You can use lace tint spray, foundation, or powder here, but use whatever color matches your complexion. And then I'm just going in with some spray to set it. So now I'm just cutting the lace. I'm starting off in sections, and I'm using my eyebrow razor just to kind of create a jagged hairline so it's not so straight across. As I was cutting this lace on camera, guys, I'm not gonna lie, I can't see, and I was like, let me use my mannequin head. I like to cut the lace right up against the hairline, but do what works best for you, and take your time because you don't want to rip anything. So this next clip, I think I lost a little bit of footage, or I just forgot to record when I was spraying, but I did just put a little bit of lace spray at the top, and now I'm going in on the side. But on the side, I'm using my bowl hole liquid gel mixed with the spray, and I'm placing the lace right above my hairline just to set it. And then I'm gonna go in with my blow dryer just to dry it a little bit, and then I go in with my melting band. So I was letting this melt as I put on my makeup, and this is the final result. Can y'all tell? I was really happy. So now I'm just brushing out the hair because it did tangle up a bit on me, but that's kind of expected with these synthetic wigs. So synthetic wigs, synthetic expectations. Now I'm just gonna go in and I'm gonna match that lace some more with my powder and a little bit of foundation, and I'm just trying to get it to match my complexion as much as possible. But remember, this is lace, it's a fabric, and it's not skin. Sometimes you might have to go in with a darker color because you might see like a white cast. So I'm just going in with a darker color that pretty much I contour with so you don't see that white cast. So now I'm just going in with my comb just to kind of break up some of that adhesive, because once you set this wig, it's going to be hard in the front, and you want to just kind of break up that adhesive that's in the front. But that's why I like this one, because it doesn't like leave residue and all that. I was just trying to figure out if I wanted to do the middle or the side. I couldn't decide what to do, but y'all see all that parting space? It's a really nice parting space in this wig, and I'm just playing with it and figuring it out. But then I was like, you know what, I want this wig to look exactly how I saw it online. So I was like, let me do a middle part and see what she's working with. So I just went in with my hot comb and middle part and all that jazz, but then I ended up doing a flip over anyway. I'm gonna talk to y'all in a little bit. Friends, so I'm finished installing this wig. It has been a day. Yes, it's been the whole day. I put on this wig and we are here. This wig is cute. Y'all already know when I'm filming the noise in my house. So I tried to talk it through as much as I could in the install process. Let me know if you guys want to see more videos like that where I talk through the install process, or I play music, or whatever the case is. This is the Bobbi Boss wig in the style MBLF. 005 Antonia. That's the social security number, and that's who she is. This is from the Glueless lace wig collection. Just a few specs. This is a 13 by 7 deep lace wig. It has hand-tied knots, HD lace, and let's see what else. It's a human hair blend. I have the color number 2. It comes with a customized pre-plucked hairline. It comes with an adjustable band, and because this is a 13 by 7 lace frontal, you can part this wig anywhere you like it. I chose to go with this kind of flip over effect because I like this. This is kind of cute, just looking like this. I did install this wig a little different than I normally do. I use this ORS olive oil fix it spray because I had some time. I made a whole video on all the different sprays that I use. Y'all might see me use a whole bunch of different sprays on this channel. Like, I have a whole bunch of different adhesive sprays. Certain ones I do prefer better than other ones, but this one is not bad. If you have time, this one does give you a secure fit. Like, we're snug. We're not going anywhere. And then I did use this on the side, this bowl hole liquid gold on the side, so we're secure, we're snug. I'm gonna go ahead and give you guys some pros, some cons, and wrap this video up. So I got this wig because I feel like I tried a wig in this kind of collection of the Glueless lace wig from Bobbi Boss, the Catherine wig. I did not film that wig, but I did wear that wig and I really did like it. This one is more of the body wave versus like the straight one, so I was like, okay, let me try it. And I also got it because on the stock card, I don't know if y'all saw that TikTok video, but there's this one girl that like absolutely slayed this wig and she convinced me to get it. So I had to get this wig and I had to try it out for myself. So why I wanted to do this video is because I wanted to show y'all this wig, and I wanted to show y'all pretty much how these wigs are looking on social media, TikTok, YouTube, Instagram, whatever the case may be, versus getting the wig. So I'm gonna give you guys some cons and then I'll wrap it up with some pros because we need to end it on a good note. As far as some cons go, the con that I have with this wig, one of the reasons that I did not film Catherine and I like that wig, but it was like a love-hate relationship, is the same exact reason for this wig. This wig is shedding so bad. She is literally like coming out.
Not for me.
And I don't like that. Some of these synthetic wigs recently, I noticed they shed so bad. I mean, depending on the brand, I noticed certain brands don't shed as much as other wigs, but this Bobbi Boss Glueless maybe HD blend, I'm not sure if it's the HD blend or it's the straighter ones, but they shed really bad. So I just wanted to put it out there. This wig is gorgeous, but she's a shedder. Another con with this wig is that, keep in mind, this is a human hair blend. So that means that as much as it says human hair, it's not all human hair, guys. It is a synthetic mixed blend with human hair, and you're gonna get some tangles, you're gonna get some frays. I did straighten the ends of this wig, but again, it is synthetic, so it did start to fray at the end, and I did have to do some heat and kind of use my rollers to bring her back, so the ends are going to get frayed. They're going to get frayed. It is what it is. Synthetic wigs, synthetic expectations. Keep that in mind.
Got it.
This wig is long. It's very long. Some people may like the length of this wig, but it's so long that the fact that it's synthetic means that it's going to tangle a little bit more. I'm definitely going to cut it like this because I feel like when you cut these wigs like this, it's more manageable.
A few moments later.
So y'all, I couldn't hang. The wig was just getting way too ratty for me on camera. The ends were just not acting right. Just went ahead and cut it. I didn't want to cut it too short because, you know, I wanted y'all to see the length of this wig, and I actually like longer wigs. I suggest you going with this razor comb just so the ends aren't so blunt. It's a little tapered at the end, and this is what it's looking like. And I just did the other side, and back to the video. And the last con that I do have with this wig is the fullness that I saw on the video on TikTok is not the fullness of this wig. This wig is gorgeous. I can give you some looks. I can fluff her out. I can make her look pretty. You know, I can do all of this stuff, but this wig is kind of flat.
Okay.
She's kind of flat. So I just wanted to be honest. I wanted to be real with you guys. It's not as full and voluptuous as it comes off. It can if you play with it, but this wig is a little thinner than I would like, and the texture of this wig is on the silky side. So some people, that might be a pro, but for me it's a con because I would prefer more of a yucky or kinky texture because I feel like it lasts longer. But it's a look. It's absolutely a look. Another con that I do have with this wig is it is pre-plucked, and you could kind of wear it out the pack, but I don't feel like this is for beginners, so that's a con for me. I did go in there and pluck this wig. I plucked the mess out of this wig, and if you need help with plucking up a wig, check out this video right here and I can help you. I did not show you exactly how I did it on camera, but this tutorial right here, I show you exactly how I pluck up my wigs, and I did pluck it, and I feel like once you put that little bit of work in,
Pluck it up, babe.
Once you put that little bit of work in, it does make a difference with these wigs because it makes it look more realistic. I mean, come on now. It's only $40. So put the time into it to make it look like that human hair wig that you really want to get. So let's go ahead and jump into some pros. So the pros with this wig, it's like I said, it's a human hair blend. So that means that it's going to hold up a little bit longer. You can go on with your products, Brandywine shampoo and conditioner. Y'all know how I feel about that. And the wig will bounce back. So I do like that. If it was a human hair blend or a synthetic wig, either way you slice it, it's just gonna last a little bit longer being a human hair blend. I do like these knots are really thin, y'all. They're really thin. I mean, for it to be a synthetic wig, come on now, like these knots are super thin. I do like the way the lace is blending in. I did have to use my powder to kind of match it to my complexion, but overall this wig is blending. I do like that. I like the waves on this wig. The waves are very pretty. It's nice layers on this wig. She's just gorgeous. As much as it's shedding and it's long, I don't know. Sometimes I consider like maybe getting a different color because the overall look, like you get what you pay for as far as out the package, ready to go. And some more pros, it's real lightweight. I mean, it is summertime. If you're looking for a body wave, silky, straight wig, then this wig is good for that, but definitely like as much work as I put into the ends of this wig so it won't be so frayed, I don't know, I'm a little disappointed with the fact that it's still getting a little ratty because I did straighten out the ends and put some rollers on it while it was setting and it's still getting ready. Anyway, you can always cut it. You can cut it. The length is not an issue. So overall, I mean, I just want you guys to understand that when you're seeing these videos and these wigs on social media, TikTok, Instagram, wherever you're seeing these videos, even my channel, I don't know. Wherever you're seeing these videos, you have to put some work into these wigs. They're not going to be fresh out the pack looking like the girls on social media because they make them look that way for a reason. I would have liked to see this wig a little fuller. I guess that's it, like a little fuller. I wanted her to be as voluptuous as I saw her, but it's not. Count on me. I have to be honest with you, so I'm just letting you know. Keep in mind that if you want that fullness, you know, you want those full pictures, you might be taking pictures like this or leaning forward or, you know, like, you know, you gotta do stuff. You gotta fluff it up. You gotta do all that stuff to make it look full. That's what they're doing. Some of these videos aren't real. What? Y'all let me know what y'all think about this wig. Give this video a thumbs up. Drop some comments down below. Until next time, I'm gonna talk to y'all later. Bye!